This is how to solve a algebraic equation that involves addition. So if I have a problem such as 32.7 is equal to x plus 19.23, the first thing I'm going to do is the first thing I'm going to do is separate my equation into two expressions. And I picture this as my balance beam. Right now it's balanced because we have the equal sign in there, and then this is my left side and this is my right side. Next, I find where the variable is. So I see that the variable is here on the right side of my equation. My goal is to get the equation by itself in the tray and balanced so that I can see what it is equal to. So after I have the variable, next I find the operation that is being done to that variable. Since it is being added by 19.23, I need to get that 19.23 off of that side. So mathematically, to get that off, I would subtract. So 19.23 minus 19.23 would be 0. So now I have x plus 0. So that's the identity property of addition. So really, if I have x plus nothing, I really actually have x. But I took something off of this side and made it lighter. So if this were a teeter-totter, this would be like this. So in order to balance it out again, I need to take something off of this side. And I need to take the exact same amount off of this side that I took off of here. So if I minus 19.23 here, I need to minus 19.23 here. So I need to remember to line up the decimals. This is a 0 here, so I can't take 3 away from nothing, so I borrow. 10 minus 3 is going to be 7. 6 minus 2 is 4. Line up those decimals. Can't take 9 away from 2, so I borrow. 12 minus 9 would be 3. And 2 minus 1 is 1. So what I see here, since I did the same thing on both sides, I know that I kept them balanced. So I have 13.47 is the same as x plus 0. So that tells me that x is the same as 13.47. And although I'm a lazy mathematician, I do want to make sure that I have this solved correctly, and I can do that by using my substitution method. Since I now know that x is the same as 13.47, I should be able to plug it right back in here and do 13.47 plus 19.23. So 7 plus 3 is 0, carry the 1, 4 plus 1 is 5, plus 2 more is 7. 3 plus 9 is 12, carry the 1. So I ended up with 32.70. If I go back to my original, it's 32.70 or 32.7. So that is check. I know I did that correct. That is how to solve a addition algebraic equation.